On this video, we are going to share with you the best tips to make the best reservations on hotels. As you log in into Traveladvantage account, you will see on the loyalty points how many of them you have available, also the amount of travel credits that you have on your account, and of course, you can choose the language and the currency that you want to check the platform. If you drop down, you will see the life experiences, the flash deals that are available right now. And one of the most amazing things is the fact that we'll have the member feed where you can see where our members are traveling and enjoying some of their vacations. So this is an absolutely amazing social proof and one of the areas that I like more about this Traveladvantage website that you can also use through your app. Now, let's speak about make a reservation of a hotel. We suggest that instead of searching for a specific hotel, you search for a city or an area that you like to visit. For this example, I'm going to put Dubai. If I want, I can choose a specific place in Dubai, but of course, searching for Dubai will make a larger search and will show to me better deals and let me find the best ones, the best savings, the best deals, and take the most amazing places that you can visit on the city. For this example, I'm going to put Dubai. The cities I'm just going to put 20 to 24 of February. You can also change the amount of people, and if you have child, it's important that also you put the number of childs and the age of your child. So I'm going to put just two hotels, one room. You can also book more than one room, and I click on search to see what are the best deals. And this is the results of the search that I just did. As you can see, instead of opening multiple websites to compare prices to find the best deals, we just one click Traveladvantage did all that work for us. Explaining you how the prices work. So this, for example, this Grand Excelsior Hotel Bur Dubai. As you can see, this is the average price of the public platforms. So if someone searches for this hotel online, this is the average price that they will find on the public platforms. This is our savings, our discount, and how much we pay for the same reservation. So the prices for us as members, it's only 501 euros instead of more than 1,000 in the public platforms. Another important information is the amount of travel credits that you will earn for this reservation. So for this example, this means that you will earn $11.48 for this reservation, and these travel credits will get back to you 5 to 7 days after you complete your stay in this hotel. Going into the filters on the left side, first you see that this example, for this search right here, we have more than 900 hotels available, and it only shows the hotels that are available. So if they are sold out, they will not be shown on our search. I always like to click on the map and understand where we have the deals. So if you want to go to a specific area, you can also use the map. Click on the map and see this hotel. And when we speak about the map, I'm just going to show you one little trick that is absolutely amazing. So for example, as you can see here on the right side, we have this little yellow man. We can grab it and drop it, for example, here in the middle. And this will give you a 3D view of the hotel that you are about to visit or to stay. So I really like this option that will give me this 3D view. So in some examples, it just show me an area around. In some other examples, I can even like click here and go inside and show me from the inside how it looks like. So this 3D viewer is absolutely amazing, and it's something that I always like to try when I want to book a place, a hotel. Also from the outside, so if I click here, you just go to the road, to the areas. Sorry, it's again the same area inside. So just for you to understand that you can click and put it on multiple places and that have different views of the hotel that you are about to visit. Now, also going back to the filters, on this example is sorting by the biggest percentage saving. If you want to change for the biggest dollar saving, you can do it just clicking here. And another important tip is, if for some reason you want to go for, let's say that you want only the hotels that are from Excelsior, sorry, let me write it correctly. So as you can see, you need to start to write the name, and then you need to click on the name of the hotel in this list. So if I click here, it just filters the specific hotel. And if I want to go back to the previous search, I just click here on the X and it goes back to where it was before. Just to inform you that you need to search, wait for the list to come down, and then you click on the list on the exact hotel that you want to go and search the price. Also the price range, so you can change the amount of the price range that you want to search the hotels. Of course, this is based on the total price. Only 5 stars, only 4 stars. This is the amount of hotels that you have on this specific filter. Also, if you want to go to a place that it's all inclusive or with breakfast, they are available to be filtered here. On the search radius, by kilometers or by miles, this is a really important thing. If you, for example, imagine that you go to Paris to Disney and you want to find a hotel that is close to Disney. So on the search, you need to put Disneyland Paris and then see a search or filter by something that it's 5 or 2 kilometers away from the place that you search, or Burj Khalifa or Dubai Mall, or depending on the area that you want to visit. So if you want to go to a specific place, this is a really nice tip. So also, if you want to have a hotel with swim pool, of course a hotel with parking or a golf court, so this is filters that you can apply here and points of interest. So multiple examples. And also, apart from the travel credits, here you will see that on each hotel you have how many loyalty points you can apply to give you an extra discount. So as an elite member, you can have extra savings after discounts applying your loyalty points. So this is, like, as you can see, so many options, so many hotels that the discounts are above 46% or 50%. So this is really good, the types of savings that you want to go and you want to visit. So imagine that you all want to go, let's say for example for this Yacht Regency Dubai, it's a 5-star. As you can see, have a 8.6 on 10, and 3,000 people said great things about it. Only 334 persons told something that they don't like on the hotel. So I click on select room, and now it opens the page of the room. First thing, you have the pictures of the hotel. So as you can see, this is pictures from outside, from inside. I really like the pictures. I really like to see how the hotels look like. It shows also the prices. It's a 5-star. You can add this hotel to your wish list. So for example, you searched today, but for some reason you were not able to complete the reservation today. So if I click here, it will be on my wish list. And on the next time that I come into Traveladvantage, I just have to go on my wish list, select this Yacht Regency, and automatically shows me what's the price for the search that I did before, instead of being like searching everything again, especially when you apply multiple filters. The details, it's a presentation of the hotel, and here I want to get your attention for this information. This is things that you can do or you can visit that are really close to the hotel. So you see that the Gold Souk, it's only 1.5 kilometers away from the hotel. You can see that Burjuman Mall, it's only 4.5 kilometers away from the hotel. And also the nearest airport, and the most important one, is the Dubai International Airport, is only 7 kilometers and 600 meters away from the hotel. So this is also really important information. Some more details, and now going into the rooms. So for this example, this is room only. You can see here, let's go on the first one. It's Standard King, room only. Okay, this is a refundable hotel, a refundable room. If you make this reservation and for some reason you need to cancel later, you click here on the conditions and it will show you up to which day you can cancel, or if you do it after 14th of December, it will have a 100% penalty for the dates that I search for this reservation. So I like pretty much click here because it shows me the exact type of room that I will find on this reservation. So this will be like, sometimes people see the best pictures of the hotel where have like the suites and the top rooms, and then they click, let's say a double room, and then they don't have the same that I was expecting to have. So here you can see exactly the type of room that you will find when you want to visit this hotel. Another important information, so if I go down, I have this Regency Club room is with breakfast included, and on this example also compare the price between what I pay and what is the average public price. So I'm just going to click on the standard king room and go to the checkout page. Here is the confirmation, and I go to the checkout. So here I am on the checkout page. You can see that I have a saving of 58%. This is like the resume of my reservation. Important information here on the guest. If you click, you will have like the names or the name that you want to make your reservation. So they have all the information. It's your own information and your travelers. I'm going to put this. Also, you have here an option that you can make some requests to the hotel. Let's say that I want a non-smoking room, and you can also put some comments on that, and the hotel will receive this information. Important, here you see that additional local taxes will be applied once you make the check-in. So this is not something that it's different. It's the same for everyone. So it's the local taxes that you always have to pay, and the amount of money that you pay depends on the place that you are going to visit. So this is not something that we control. This is something that is applicable for everyone. The important thing here is that you have exactly how much it will be when you will arrive there. So this is my price, 503 euros, so I'm already saving more than 50%. But as you can see here on the payment, I can redeem my loyalty points and I can redeem my travel credits. So applying my points and my credits, my price drop even more. So my discounts just become bigger. So this is the cards that I have on file, so you can choose which card you have or add a new one to pay your reservation. And you have to agree the terms. I'm just going to select this card and click on complete booking. And once you do that, you will have your reservation done. And this is how you can make your own hotel reservations, finding in the best deals and having always the best options and the best savings.